How to change your Instagram QR code color on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize your QR code quickly and easily. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on the Share Profile option on your profile. At this point, your Instagram QR code will now appear on the screen. Let me show you how to change the color. In the next step, tap on the color palette option on the top of the QR code to open the color customization options. From there, tap on the background to change the colors. Tap to preview each one. At this stage, tap on whichever color or theme you want to apply to your QR code. Following this, your QR code will instantly update to reflect the new color you selected. Once done, if you want to add an emoji or selfie to your QR code, tap on the emoji or camera icon on the QR code screen and customize it further. From here, once you're happy with the design, tap on the share icon to share your customized QR code directly, or tap on download it to your gallery. At this stage, your saved QR code will appear in your gallery app and can be shared anywhere. Anyone who scans it will be taken directly to your Instagram profile. Here's an important note. Your Instagram QR code is unique to your account. If you ever change your username, the QR code will automatically update to reflect the new username. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your Instagram QR code color, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.